Hello girls and boys. Today I am going to start chapter 17 class 8th stars and the solar system. The moon is the brightest object in the night sky. The stars, the planets, the moon and the many other objects in the sky are called celestial objects. Those objects are found in the sky is called celestial object. The study of the celestial object and associated phenomena is called astronomy. What is solar system? The sun and stars and its family such as planets, satellites, comets and asteroids etc. are called solar system. This is the diagram of our solar system. What are stars? A self-luminous heavenly body in space called star. Stars are the celestial bodies that emit light of their own. Our sun is also a star. Star Stars appear to move from east to west. But pole star, what is a pole star? What a pole star appears to be stationary from the earth because it is situated close to the direction of the axis of rotation of the earth. This is the pole star. This pole star, the pole star lies close to the axis of the rotation of earth, so it is visible to stationary. What is a light year? Large distance are expressed a unit known as light year. It is the distance traveled by light in 1 year. What is constellation? Constellation are group of stars that appears to form recognizable shapes. Example: Great Bear, Orion, Leo Major, Cassiopeia, etc. Orion. Orion is well-known constellation that can be seen during winter in the late evening. It is one of the most magnificent constellation in the sky. It also has 7 or 8 bright stars. Orion is also called the hunter. The 3 middle stars represent the belt of the hunter. The 4 bright stars appear to be arranged in the form of quadrilaterals. This is the diagram of Orion. This is the group of stars. The three middle stars represent the belt of the hunter. The 4 bright stars appear to be arranged in the form of quadrilateral. What is Ursa Major? One of the most famous constellation which can see during summertime in the early part of the night is Ursa Major. It is also known as the Big Dipper, the Great Bear or the Saptarshi. These are the other name of the Ursa Major. There are 7 prominent stars in this constellation. It appears like a big ladle or question mark. There are 3 stars in the handle of the ladle and 4 in its ball. This is the diagram of Ursa Major. It appears like a ladle or question mark. What is a Cassiopeia? It is a prominent constellation in the northern sky. It is visible during winter in the early part of the night. It looks like a distorted letter W or M. It is the diagram of Cassiopeia. It looks like W or M. What is planets? The heavenly bodies like Earth, Mercury, etc., which do not have light on their own, wandering in the sky and revolving around the sun, are called planets. There are 8 planets. These are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Venus is the brightest planet in the night sky. Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system. Venus is seen as an evening star in the western horizon of the sky. This diagram is showing position of the moon in its orbit and its corresponding phases. The day on which the whole disk of the moon is visible is known as full moon day. Thereafter, every night the size of the bright part of the moon appears to become thinner and thinner. On the 15 days, the moon is not visible. This day is known as new moon day. This is the new moon day. The next day, only a small portion of the moon appears in the sky. This is known as crescent moon. Then again the moon grow larger every day. On the 15th day, once again we get a full view of the moon. The various shapes of the bright part of the moon as seen during a month are called phases of the moon. This diagram is showing moon is visible due to reflected sunlight. The moon does not produce its own light, whereas the sun and other stars do. We see the moon because the sunlight falling on it gets reflected towards us. We therefore see only that part of the moon from which the light of the sun is reflected toward us. Now I would like to tell you other members of the solar system, asteroids. There is a larger gap in between the orbit of the Mars and Jupiter. This gap is occupied by a large number of small objects that revolve around the sun. These are called asteroids. What is comets? It are members of our solar system. They are luxurious heavenly bodies having long shining tail revolving around the sun, having large period of revolution. This diagram is showing different position of a comet. This is the tail of the comet. Many comets are known to appear periodically. One such comet is Halley's Comet, which appears after nearly every 76 years. It was last seen in 1986. What is satellites? A body revolving around another body is called a satellite. There are two types of satellite, artificial satellite and natural satellite. What is artificial satellite? Artificial satellite are man-made. They are launched from the earth. They revolve around the earth much closer than Earth's natural satellite. The moon is the natural satellite. Example: Aryabhat, INSAT, IRS, Kalpana, First and EDUSAT, etc. Artificial satellites are used for weather forecasting, long distance communication, and remote sensing. What is natural satellite? The satellite which is natural like moon is called the natural satellite. Moon is the natural satellite. So this chapter is completed. Bye bye students. Take care yourself.